Hey there, so the meeting guide app is updating and I've reviewed the notes and the email here about the location temporarily closed type. Right now it's appearing like this in the meeting guide app when there is a specific address attached to these meetings. And that's confusing for folks, and so they're asking us to get rid of those. A better solution though for almost all of those that are in our Knoxville listing is going to be rather than turning them into drafts, because they are online meetings, I'll show you what we need to do to edit them. There are two that this won't apply to, and I will go ahead, these two right here, let's see, these two don't have Zoom addresses and they are just temporarily closed. So I'll turn these two into drafts, this North Gatlinburg group and this Big Book group. But the rest of them, these are online meetings, and we can fix this in the guide app without having to get rid of the meeting entirely. Let me show you what I mean. I've done a couple of them. Let's see, from the list, New Beginnings, Newport is one. If I could spell, that would be helpful. Beginnings. This is a 7:30 or a 6:30 Tuesday meeting is the one right here in question. So I'm going to go in here and scroll down. See, there is a Zoom link, so it's an active Zoom meeting. But this is what's causing the issue, that there's an actual location, this first UMC address. Instead of that, if we just fill in Knoxville and give an approximate location, there was a little warning up there that'll go away, and this will actually make everything be okay in the meeting guide app. I'm going to scroll up and click update right over here on the right hand side, and then we'll open this up, and there's no longer the little crossed out location here. I'll show you what it looks like beforehand, which is causing the problem with another group. So state, tri-state, Tuesday at 7 p.m. is another meeting. Here is the meeting. And if I click this link right up here, this right here, zoom in for you, this Cumberland Gap Parkway address, that's what's causing the issue. So I'm going to do this on all these meetings except those two that I mentioned. These two right here, they are actually temporarily closed. I'll turn those into drafts, and for the rest of them, we'll do that. Thanks.